and the chin to the earth slowly. Forehead comes to the mat. Hands come underneath the shoulders. We curl the toes under. Inhale in. Exhale, press up to all fours. Or if a plank is in your practice already, you can press up to a plank. Good, then from all fours or from your plank, we'll slowly begin to peel the hips up high and back. Downward facing dog. Spread the fingertips and finding stability. Breathing deep, pressing it into the foundation, so that which is touching back through center and to your left. Just look past your left shoulder. And then slowly come back to center. We're gonna release the chest and the earth here. Great, then draw a line with your nose to your right. Just look past your right shoulder. And then draw a line